Hello and welcome to the channel. This is an unboxing of the DJI Neo 2, the intelligent flight battery and also digital transceiver. As always, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out so much. First of all, I'm going to unbox the drone itself. This is the DJI Neo 2. A big step up from the original DJI Neo LiDAR sensor. It's got a sensor for above and below the drone for obstacle avoidance. A really great new product. As always with DJI products, there is some great instructions. There's a little screwdriver there, I'll use that shortly. Stickers, and there's also some detail here for new drone pilots as well. So this is a spare intelligent flight battery. The most cost-effective way of me being able to use a controller with this drone and to get some added flight time was to get this set of 3 products, including the intelligent flight battery. Moving on next to the digital transceiver. If you want to use the Neo 2 with a controller, you will need this digital transceiver. I'd seen some images of this previously and I thought it was going to be much bigger than this for some reason, but it's actually a really tiny little device. So just removing the gimbal cover here. This is a 4-axis gimbal. The original Neo was just a 2-axis gimbal, and this is much better quality, so obviously you're not cropping out so much of the image for stabilization purposes. That USB-C slot in the back is where the transceiver slots into, and there are 4 tiny screws. This is the RC-N3 controller. If you'd got an original Neo, you may already have this controller. I do, and the N3 is compatible with the Neo 2. You may need to do a slight software update when this all connects. Switching on here, 1 short press, 1 long press. And just removing the gimbal cover again. This drone isn't connected to DJI at the moment, so it needs pairing with a DJI account. Just switch the drone off and just explain that this drone has all the options available at your fingertips.
Follow, boomerang, 4 meters, spotlight, master shots, rocket, dolly zoom, circle, helix, droney, selfie shot, cycling follow, front right, rear left, front left, front, low angle, flat, high angle, low angle.
There's lots more testing to come, but for now I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing of the Neo 2, the intelligent flight battery and the digital transceiver. Please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out so much.